appendix is an organ found at the area of the cecum. So it's an outpouching. It would be lined by simple columnar epithelium and should contain lymphoid follicles. As you can see here, the submucosa, the one underneath the mucosa, does not contain the lymphoid follicles anymore because this is an acute appendicitis like. Pag may acute appendicitis, usually there will be disruption of the normal appearance of the submucosa. Okay, so we might look at the rest of the slides. So you have neutrophilic infiltrates, so which is a sign of acute inflammation. Aside from that, you also have the ulceration, so, but that's not important.